Ring light, the potential need for every other video creator in this world. Since the starting of my channel, I've been using this study lamp for making my YouTube videos. But as you all can see, few parts in this frame are still as dark as your future. Oh sorry, emotional damage.
Emotional damage!
So today I'm going to make one multicolor ring light using this cardboard. So Hare Krishna. Firstly, I have took a shoebox, and if you want then you can also use a washing machine's cardboard, but right now I have only this one, and here I am taking a rough measurement, and I am not going to use this strip because it's having very much spacing between its LEDs. And today I have realized that why maths is important in every phase of our life. Guys, you don't need to go anywhere else, you just need to open my description box and you'll get all the links to purchase the components at the best price available. As we have got a perfect circle, now I am going to use one magic trick, and now I am going to use this ring as my ring light space. You all must have saw this LED controller which comes like your samosa sauce, but I am not going to use this one because it's very big in size. So I have transformed this to this. And now we can easily use it as I've reduced its size so far, and I've also took out its DC connector also. Also, I'm cutting this connector from here as we have to use it inside of our ring light. Now I'm taking a Chinese RGB strip, but it works very well, and my main plan is to use this one and also a series of white LEDs. But before that, I'm going to resolder my DC connector over here with some long wires. To create the borders, I'm using one strip of cardboard, and now I'm sticking it using one glue gun. After searching a lot in the market, I've only got a straight LED plate, and the shopkeeper was saying that if I would try to break its circuit then it would stop working. But keep watching this video till the end because I'm going to show you that how I'm going to transform this into a circular ring light. So as you all can see, this is a single series of LEDs and it operates at 12 volts. Also it has one resistor over here. And to remove its very first layer of the PCB, I'm using one sandpaper over here, and once we have removed the layer, we'll get a layer of copper, and now we can easily solder it using a soldering iron. Although the shape of this PCB isn't perfect, but no one is going to see inside the ring light, and once I've soldered both the wires over the PCB, we can easily use it using one 12 volt DC adapter. For the better scattering and diffusion of light, we are using a sheet of aluminium foil over here. I'll be using the RGB strip and the white LEDs at the very same time because I don't think that the RGB strip is enough for me. That's why I want more brightness, and I'll connect both of them parallelly with only one connector. Similarly, I've removed the top layer of each and every PCB, and now I'm soldering all the series in a parallel connection. As I told you before, each and every series add up to 12 volts, and to know that where the series is starting, you just need to check that where is the resistor. And remember that each and every series of LEDs consists of one and only resistor in it. So wherever you see a single resistor, that means there is a single series. Once I'm done with all the connection work, I'm putting all my LEDs in this ring. Not only I'm sticking up the PCBs using this glue gun, but also I'm putting the glue over the LEDs because it will help it to scatter and diffuse more. My main plan is to keep the white light and the RGB one keep separated by using a switch. Now I am sticking up my RGB strip using this glue gun, and after that I'll directly connect my RGB strip with the DC controller which I had showed you earlier, and the white LEDs will be connected directly with the 12-volt adapter and it will be turned on or off using that switch. In the end, I've connected my DC strip controller over here, and now I'm putting the receiver outside of this ring. As I told you before, I'm connecting my DC strip controllers and my white LEDs positive and negative wires parallelly with the DC adapter. Once all the interior work was completed, I shooted one snap over here, and as you all can see, our RGB strip is working very nicely, and now I'm going to turn on my white LEDs. And as you all can see, the white light is also perfect over here. After taking a bath, I came up for the exterior work. As a final diffuser of our ring light, I am using one film sheet over here. No, this isn't the actual film sheet which we should use, but my mother had bought some clothes for me, and in that cloth box I bought this one. And this is just a translucent sheet which is enough for me. And after marking some necessary points, I've cut this using one scissor. And then I have pasted my sheet using one black plastic tape, and here's the final result, guys. So as you all can see, our ring light is finally done. Here is a receiver, guys, and here is the switch to turn on the white light, and here is our socket for the 12-volt DC adapter. Also, I have inserted one magnet here while the taping. It would help us while using this ring light on metallic surfaces. Now it's time to test our ring light. So guys, here I'm inserting my 12-volt DC adapter, and let's see how it works. To have more accurate results, I'm also turning off my lamp over here. So let's see, guys. Here I'm using this remote to change all my colors. In this ring light we get almost every color that we want, and if you want to compare it with the ones that we get on e-commerce websites, so as you all can see, the prices of these websites are very much high, and these don't have more colors than my one. Maybe they have 3 colors or 5 colors, but not more than mine, and the colors are very satisfactory also. So what do you think, guys? Let's test out our white one. This white light is made up by using all the 3 colors of our strip, but I thought that it might not be enough for me. So what do you think about this one? So this is exactly what I wanted, and it's very much satisfactory, guys, because it's very much bright. Let's test it out in my room. As you all can see, the brightness is quite good and it spreads all over my room, and on the photos this doesn't shows any type of reflection, and that is what I wanted. And right now I am stuck between my exams, so I hope you understand, guys. Just like this video, share with your friends. I will be back with more bigger projects in the future as well. Till then, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and Radhe Radhe.